Hello guys, welcome to this video and we are going to see in this video how we can set up our emails, how we can send emails using a Laravel application. So first step what we would do is let's create a subdomain. So we'll host a website on this subdomain and then uh, we can do the email setup. So first step is go to domains, just type domains here. Okay, and create a new domain. And this is my original website. So I'm doing a demo dot AUSNZ. So what it will show me as demo dot AUNZ tech.co.nz. So if I create this, I will be given a folder with this name. Okay, so a subdomain will be created. Okay, so a subdomain will be created, and if I go now to my uh, cPanel here, and if I go to my file manager, I should see the demo.aunz.co.nz is appearing here. So there are no files, and if I hit this URL, so if I set this URL, you can see that we do not have anything. So now what we need to do, what I will do is I will copy my previous Laravel project into this folder. Okay, so let's select all. So here I will select all. Okay, I will ignore this file only, and the rest all the files I will copy. And I will say copy here. Then I will go to demo dot this, and I will copy these files here. Okay, so now if I go back and if I go in this, so I'll have all these Laravel files into this. Okay, so next what I will do is I will change my htaccess file. Okay, so my htaccess file, so what I will do is I will just edit this and I will say here demo. Okay, so that the page loads. Okay, so we have done this. So if I go here now and I just reload this page, still I'm getting the same error. Don't know why is that. Okay, I'm getting the same error back again. Let's see what is the issue. I did save this. Then just hold on, guys. I'll see what is the issue. Okay, in my htaccess file, what I have done is I've removed HTTPS because a subdomain does not have HTTPS enabled. So because of that, so this is off. So if you see here, so SSL certificate is not valid, so it is inactive currently. So once I do that, and then if I load the page, then you can see that my site is now loading on this. Okay, I have a contact us page. Okay, and let's configure email for this. When we click on send button, let's send an email to the person who's sending, to the receiver who would get this email. So now what I need to do here is I need to go to my cPanel again, and then I need to click on emails. Just check emails here, email accounts, go to email accounts, and this will be my demo email. So I'm going to use the email will be for this domain, and username will be demo at the rate of aunz.tech.co.nz. Then we'll have a password here. Let's generate this. Let's copy this password and let's say create here. So you can see that it is created, and I will just open Notepad, and I will just file new tab, and I will just copy this and paste this here, the password. So we have this. Now if we go to manage, or we can go to connect devices. Okay, these are the settings. Okay, these are the settings for us, and we will include these settings in our .env file. Okay. Okay, now I have opened my .env file here, and you can see the connections here. So let the mailer be SMTP and the host be HostGator. So 1450 and HostGator.com. And we won't be using this port as we are doing it without HTTPS. So next, what we need to do is demo. So no, we'll be using non-S. We will be using this because these are non-SSL settings. So I will be using this settings. Okay, so let's copy this demo, and let's use this as a username. Email from this. Okay, both the addresses. Then from name I just put as demo. Then this one BSSL, so TLS. Okay, then let's go to the settings, and SMTP port is 587. So let's copy this here, 587. Password will be, we can copy this password over here. So this is the password, so let's copy this password over here. Now, I think we have done all the setup, and remember this host name. This will be the HostGator host name, okay? Okay, and then we save this, and see, you can see my HostGator here, HostGator 1450. So use the same one, .hostgator.com. Okay, and yeah, this is done. So now let's save, this is saved as well. Okay, now let's create email templates for this. Okay, so if you go to my form, so if I go to my PHP application in the resources, then in the views and in the pages, you can see you can go to the contact page. I already have a form that is working. Okay, I already have a form, and these are the emails of this form. Okay, and I can show you the form where it is. So this is the form. It will send an email to the person. So contact.send is the form, and we are putting all the parameters here. And once the form is sent, we'll get an message that the form has been sent successfully. Okay, now let's go to the route. If I go to the routes in web.php, you can see that I have a contact route and send route that is in the front end controller. This is the controller that I'm using, and the send method here. Okay. Okay, now let's open front end controller. Let's go to edit. Okay, and open this using edit. Okay, now what you can see is we need to create that function. Okay, so I have created that function over here. So I'll copy this function, and I will paste it down here. So you can see that I'm using my email. This is Gmail, so I'll put gmail.com. Okay, and this is the new contact class that we need to create. Okay, so let's include it first. So I'm including the facade mail and my class that I'm going to create, mail class. Okay, so I'll be using this. So I'll be saving the next. What we need to do is we need to create this contact mail class. Okay, to send our email. Okay, and so let's go ahead and create that. So now what we are going to do is go to the app folder, then this mail folder I have created here. Then you need to create a new file here, that is the contact mail.php. Okay, once you create this file, just open this file and copy paste this code here. So I will give you this code, uh, the sign code, so in my description. Okay, so once you do this, so we have an emails and a contact query template for this. Okay, so all the data will be sent to this. Okay, so I saved this. Now let's go to emails in the views. Let's create an email folder and let's create an contact query folder. Okay, so let's go back. So now let's go to views. Where are the view resources? Then let's go to views. Okay, in this, let's create a folder called as emails. Okay, once we create this, then let's create a file called as contact query dot blade dot php. Okay, so I created this file. I'm going to edit this file and I'm going to paste this code here that the email has been received. Okay, so we have saved this and then we can see that everything is now set up. Now we can run our application and see if the email is going or what errors we are getting. So Richard, then email is, I'll put some different email, Richard. Okay, and this will be some message of mine. Okay, some message. So if I click on send, okay, it is come, your message has been sent successfully. So if I go to my inbox and see if I get, so you can see that I have received the message successfully. So I will put the HTML code of the template also into the description. So this code, I mean. Okay. So this is how you configure emails in Laravel 12 on the HostGator server. So also I've shown you the email setup. So if you have any queries, please do comment and let me know. So thanks for watching, guys.